If you started to create a post on Facebook, but you didn't finish it, you just saved it as a draft, you can always go back and find those saved drafts and then continue on and post it, or of course delete it. I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now, first, of course, just open up Facebook on your iPhone, Android, or computer. Let's walk through an example. I'm going to tap on What's on Your Mind. And on here, I'm going to tap on the Photos icon. And let's say I uploaded this photo and I didn't not necessarily want to post it right now, but I want to save it as a draft. So I can save it as a draft by tapping the X at the top left and tap Save Draft. Now, the weird or complicated thing on Facebook is that there's no one section to be able to see all of your drafts because there's only one draft that you can have at any given time. And to be able to find that one draft, you're again going to tap on What's on Your Mind, and it will pop up with your draft. Keep in mind, again, if I hit the X button and hit discard, it will just tap on What's on Your Mind and show up with a blank screen. And again, this is the only place that you can see those drafts. So if you start a draft post, it will be directly in here. And if you've saved it, it will be in here. However, if you've deleted it out, you will no longer have a draft post and you'll just see the blank What's on Your Mind. I hope this helps. I know your time is valuable, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I hope to catch you on the next one.